Hello once again. Welcome to another exciting video. My name is Cecile, and in today's video we will be looking at a little few good features in Microsoft Word. Almost everybody knows Microsoft Word. They've really advanced onto recent time, and if you're a student using Microsoft Word and typing your schoolwork assignments and stuff, or making documents and stuff, or at your job site, you need to use Microsoft Word. I'm guessing this video is going to help you a lot in whatever we're going to look at. But we won't be looking at much, just a few cool features which I just want to touch. And I know people have been having issues, for example, with Microsoft Word, you have to type, right? You know, you have to start typing with your hands, blah, 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 start typing stuff. But what if I tell you you don't have to do that with the recent Microsoft Word? You don't have to, go through the hassle of typing your 30 pages of documents or stuff with your hands. Microsoft has what we call dictate. It's a new feature where you just talk and or read whatever you want to be typed in a document, and it types it for you. So this is the feature right here. This is our microphone. And Microsoft nowadays, you know, they have different editions, so to speak. They have the student edition, they have the Microsoft 365. So if you're planning to purchase Microsoft, create an account and purchase this Microsoft Suite, you have to make sure you get the 365 edition in order for you to get this feature. The student, I don't think it has this, but or the other editions don't have. But if you buy Microsoft Suite, or a year program subscription rather, or a monthly subscription, then go for the 365. I recommend that, and it's gonna give you this feature. So let's test it and see what it does. So what I'll do is just click on this button right here, the microphone. It turns red, or it shows a little red button, and that means everything I say will be typed on the screen, will be typed on the white page. Now, sometimes it's not very accurate, but it does a whole lot. And you can always go back and adjust the words that are misspelled. So let's try that and see. So you see the little red button now showing, and everything I'm saying, it's automatically being typed on the screen. You see, full stop. Once upon a time. This is so cool. So everything I'm saying, the word Microsoft Word is typing it for me, and like I said, it really makes typing faster. Now, if at some point it misspell a word or a phrase or sentence not correctly input, like you see the first one, once you click the mouse to make corrections, the auto recording will stop, and then you have to go back and click on the microphone to keep recording. So for example, I'm going to do this, put in my mouse, I'm going to stop talking, put the mouse, and then make this correction right here. So if you notice, once I started making adjustments to that line of words, the dictate microphone stopped recording. So that's how it works. And everywhere, anywhere I put the mouse or the cursor rather, and I hit the dictate microphone, it's gonna return and start recording from wherever my cursor is. So let's try that one more time. I got my cursor right here at the bottom, and I'm gonna click on the microphone dictate button right here at the top right corner, and everything I say again will start recording. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is a test recording. You see, everything I say, it types it for me right on the spot. I'm not doing all of this with my fingers, okay, on the keyboard. I'm just talking and it is typing everything I'm saying, okay? I can say comma, I can say period, I can say exclamation sign, and it takes care of all of that. The exclamation sign thing works. I may have to go back and make such corrections. So this is one of the cool features and beauty of Microsoft Word. I strongly recommend, you know, everyone should know and use this. If you do a lot of typing, if at your job you have to create documents, create reports, you really, really want to get this feature up and running for you. So we're done with this. Let's move forward to one more cool feature with Word. I'm going to stop this recording right now. Okay. So another thing, back in the days we always have trouble with is converting a Word document into a PDF file. But with Microsoft 365 right now, you can I can save this document as a PDF file without necessarily having to save it as Word, then struggling to find a software online to do the conversion for me. So I just come to File at the top left corner, click on File, and see where it says Export. I click on Export, and I can create a PDF file or XPS file with this document. So click on that, and see it decides where I want to save the file in my document folder. And give it the name. I see save as type. The output right here, it's a PDF. So if you change the name of the file, you click publish, it's going to save this document for me as a PDF file, and I can use it wherever I want to use it. So that's one cool feature with Word today. So keep that in mind. Another thing, once you have a Microsoft account, you know, and access to most of the features, you have what I call the Microsoft OneDrive, and that's the cloud storage where you can save your document in the cloud and access that same document from any other device wherever you are. And that's made possible, they have the autosave. So if I turn this on, it's going to save my document in my OneDrive account. Okay, I'm going to give the document a name and just say test doc, and this document, it's not being saved in my OneDrive account. And another beauty about this is that once I'm typing, I don't need to keep going to click on the save button at the top left corner or Control S to save everything I'm typing. If it's automatically set to auto save as I'm typing or talking, whenever I'm typing, the document is being saved in the OneDrive account, my cloud storage automatically, such that if you lose the document, power goes out and your machine turns off, you still have that document saved from the last point where you were typing. And that's one good thing, with autosave. So that takes care of autosave. I'm going to turn it back off because the other things I want to show us. Okay, turn it off. So let's keep progressing to the third feature that I love so much in Microsoft Word. So once I come again to my file, I click on File. Okay, I scroll down to where it says Transform. I click on Transform. Now, what I'm about to show you guys is some cool feature that I love with Word. So I can create some form of a web page, okay, with my document. Right. Strange, right? That is so cool. It's so cool, the feature. I can create a web page with everything I've typed. So I can just type something I want to put on a web page, and when I come to Microsoft Transform to Web Page, select whatever option I want. So let's stick with the first one, right? It's already highlighted. I click on Transform, right down here. So what I'm doing, I'm transforming this document into a web page so much that I can share it with friends or anybody else elsewhere with whom I want to share it with. So you open my browser. Let me bring it to the screen so we all can see. So this is the same document. Open in Microsoft. This is the same document. Okay, that's so neat. Right, let's not get confused. Let me close that, and I'm gonna bring this up again. So this is the document. See the title I gave it, test doc. So this is like my cover, the header picture. So if I scroll down, see everything I was saying or typing, see it right there? It's like the body now of my web page. I can edit this page right in here. Let's do a little bit of editing. So see where I say edit, navigation, take something the sway. So what we're doing now, not Microsoft calls it the sway. Okay, SWAY. So I click on edit, and I can edit this web page. Okay, this is so cool to me, especially for somebody who does web design or has knowledge about web design and stuff like that. So I can change it. I can change the title as let's say the welcome. Okay, and I can add, change the background photo. Click on that. It gives me options right here. Because I gave it welcome, I can choose any of the options. I'm going to choose this one and import this welcome, one of the welcome photos. Go with this, click on add, and there you go, welcome. It says you can browse content from many places. Cool. So I can add a video if I want to, you know. So this is the title. Can make, edit this, emphasize, make it a link if I want to do that. So this is the body of my text. Come to the bottom right there. Skip down. Can add bullet points, add a link. Let's click on video. Add this video at the bottom. So I'm kind of building the content for my web page right now. Okay, add text, add video, add a caption. This is a fun summer. Okay, and that's it. Let's edit that a little bit, add some emphasis by making it bold, and yeah, that's that for my web page. And insert. See, I click on the insert button up there, and everything takes effect. So this is my page. I mean, you can drag things around. Like once you put your mouse on the square and it changes to the 4 arrows like that, and it's highlighted, I can drag to the top just like that. Okay, I can bring it back down just like that. See, I even added that in the middle, add more text below. So once I'm done editing my page, let's do the play button. See play right there? Click on play. What this does is gives us a preview of our site. Okay, so this is a preview of our site. That's the top bar. Looks beautiful. Welcome. See, there's a body on the page. It's a video. This is a fun summer. It's a video about to play, and I brought him to my Microsoft web page. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video right there. And this is so cool, guys. After doing that, I can share it, copy the link, share with friends. So share it on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, just maybe some document you want to share on LinkedIn and help build your professional profile, stuff like that. So this is really, really cool feature with Microsoft Word. See how we've gone from a simple document to a web page, you know? This is amazing, honestly. So guys, that's it with some cool features for Microsoft Word. Just seeing how to type our documents just by speaking without necessarily using our hands to type on the keyboard. We saw how to auto save, set up auto save. We saw how to export, save a document, and create a PDF version of it. We saw how to transform our document into a web page just from Microsoft Word. And there are a lot more features coming up. So that's it with Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you've learned something from this. Try it out, apply it, and have fun. Once again, this is my humble self, Lord Cecil, and take care. Bye.